Hey guys, Mike here from Raptor Drone. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you had a great 4th of July this past week. I don't usually do unboxing vids, but I did just make a purchase that I've been very much looking forward to. The DJI Phantom for Pro V2.0. I just sold my old Phantom 3 Advance. I'm very excited to start working with this one. It's actually the same model that a couple of my other drone friends have, and I've really been eyeing it ever since it came out. I don't usually, like I said, usually do unboxing vids, especially for items that have been out for a little while, but like I said, I just made the purchase, I just made the upgrade, and I'm just like, I'm excited. So let's take a look inside, huh? Now, if memory serves me correctly, I think there's supposed to be like a foam case in here or something like that. That's what I kind of think I read. And if that handles anything to judge by, yep. Okay, so you got the foam case, all right, with DJI Phantom right embossed there on the foam, and it's got a pretty sturdy handle on top that pops out for you, and also a latch here. The latch flips open and then twists to unlock. The whole thing swings right open for you. Now it's all molded foam, so everything fits in here really nicely. It's all secure. It won't be jostling around and get damaged. So that's kind of a nice little touch. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this case though. Looking at it, it doesn't appear to have any kind of a seal or anything like that. It just kind of, flips shut. I'll probably be sticking with my Manfrotto design backpack, drone backpack that you can get on DJI's website. I believe they're selling it right now for $230. Very great backpack. There's a bunch of different pockets. It's got a good compartment for your propellers and remote, and then it's also the drone fits right in the main body. There's a latch in there, strapping in there so that it stays nice and secure. Battery compartments, all that stuff. So I'm a huge fan of this, and it's so much less conspicuous than a big like ammo case, huge kind of a case thing that you would be carrying your drone on otherwise. So definitely a good buy right here for this. Now looking at this, yeah, it looks like you got your basic setup here. Nice new DJI remote with the device cradle right here. Works the same way it always has. The button pops. Should it? Is it going to pop? Oh, it's taped right now. Once I untape it, that will pop open and expand, so you can fit any kind of device in there. But otherwise, yeah, it looks like it's the same basic one that they've always had. I think there might be a new vent on the bottom here to help maybe with air circulation. But other than that, yeah, it looks like it's the same old controller that they've had for a while, which is not a problem. It fits my hands all right, so it works. Next up, the main show. The Phantom 4. Now, looking at it, man, this thing is sleek. All right. So the 3, if you guys know or are aware, was a matte finish. This is mirror shine right here. Like you can maybe see some reflection with the way that I'm moving this around. Yeah, it looks so sleek. I really like the design, particularly how they've changed the mounting plate for the camera gimbal. It's all part of the same unit now. It's not like kind of this 2-plate thing that's kind of dangling there. I kind of like that. It looks a little better, probably a little sturdier. There are obstacle avoidance sensors all over this thing. Wow. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this thing looks. Just coming out of the box, it looks like a new car. I couldn't be happier with that part of it. What's this? Oh, cool. So yeah, take a look here. The battery is already inside. It comes already inside the drone. I think that's pretty standard. But there's also 2 extra battery compartments in this case. If you decide you want to use it for a while, it's even labeled battery on here. So you can just stick them right in there. And there's this little foam protector that just kind of keeps them stable in there. What do we got here? Excuse me. Oh, USB cable. Cool. That's nice. And I think, yes, cool. 2 sets of propellers. That's kind of nice. And these are pretty crazy looking propellers actually. They're a little wider. They have the extra fin on the end. You can kind of see right there. a little bit more intense than the Phantom 3s were. And they're also a mirror shine finish. And here's one of the things that I'm really looking forward to when it comes time to actually set this thing up compared to the Phantom. Quick release, quick mounted propellers. I really like that. The rotors are of course designed very similar to how they always have been. Each rotor corresponds to a specific propeller, silver and black, and that helps them counteract each other. Other things we got in here, power cable, and your adapter. Cool. Looks like the adapter is using the same plug for the to charge up the remote, and an updated, of course, plug to charge the battery. Now, speaking of the battery, okay, it's a little bigger, a little fatter than the Phantom 3's was. It was easier to get out. That came out really easily compared to the Phantom 3, so I'm happy about that. And oh, the battery cells, you can't really see, but see what looks like these dark hash lines? These are actually spaces in between each of the cells, so that might help with ventilation or something. I can't say for sure. But yeah, I really like too how it's not like two huge metal prongs sticking out on the side like the Phantom 3 batteries were. If you look here, it's actually, the contact points are encased in the plastic and protected. So that's, you know, a nice little touch. I'm not worried about damaging them quite as much as I was the Phantom 3. That pops right back in. Cool. What else we got in here? Oh, okay. Manuals and warranty info. So yeah, yes, I'm excited. This is going to be a cool new toy, a cool new thing for me to work with. One last thing. I did get this as well. Polar Pro makes a pretty affordable set of lens filters. Neutral density filters. I know they also do polarized filters and probably some other ones too. But they have ND4, 8, and 16 to just kind of help make your photos look a little bit more saturated, a little bit clearer. Basically, if you're dealing with a lot of sun and overexposure, you know, this will help prevent overexposure in your photos and video. I used to use them on the Phantom 3 that I had, and I really liked it. Not terribly expensive. I think these are about, I want to say they're about $60, $70, somewhere in that range. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, Polar Pro filter pack for the Phantom 4 Pro. Definite must-have as an accessory for your drone. They slip right onto the front of the camera. They just mount right on. Great little accessory that will go a long way and make just up your photos, just that extra little kick that you need. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I unbox this. It's been, I've been very much looking forward to it. Getting this new drone, getting it up in the air is going to be a lot of fun. Please subscribe to my channel. I do upload to YouTube. I am also very active on Instagram. And you can find me there, Instagram, at Raptor Drone. That's all it is. There's no underscores, no hat, no special character, something. It's just at Raptor Drone. Going to be appearing somewhere up here. Thanks again and have a great day.